Don't miss this video. What you're about to see will change how you think about large-scale security. In stadiums, parking lots, and military bases, hidden risks are greater than you imagine. And ACTi Large Facility Monitoring shows how hundreds of cameras integrate for complete protection. First comes auto tracking, where ACTi's high-speed PTZ camera automatically follows moving targets across entrances and corridors, recording instantly without manual operation so guards can focus on response instead of screens, ensuring that every suspicious person or vehicle near restricted zones is detected and stopped in real time. True proactive defense. Next is area tracking, linking a smart fisheye and PTZ camera to detect abnormal movement and instantly turn toward it. Whether at ticket booths or gates, it locks and tracks drones or crowds, cutting response time and eliminating blind spots so every corner stays under control. Then comes wide area tracking, where fixed and PTZ cameras cooperate seamlessly. Once intrusion occurs, they turn, lock, and record automatically, ideal for stadium fences, parking exits, and checkpoints, ensuring nothing escapes across hundreds of channels. Security isn't optional, it's essential. ACTi Large Facility Monitoring combines auto, area, and wide area tracking to transform surveillance into active protection, upgrading safety for every facility, every second.